Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about state management in Angular. State management in Angular encompasses the control and modification of data in an application. It facilitates storing and modifying the state of an application in a predictable and scalable manner. For example, when building an e-commerce website using Angular, state management can be utilized to track the user's shopping cart items, their selected products, and the current order status, ensuring a seamless and efficient shopping experience. State management in Angular can be categorized into local and global state management. Local state management oversees state within one component, ensuring data is confined and manipulated only within that specific component. On the other hand, global state management handles a state accessible by multiple components. For example, in a shopping cart application, local state management can be used to track the quantity and price of items within a single item component, while global state management can track the overall cart state to display total items and costs across different components. Local state management in Angular is commonly performed through the utilization of component properties and Angular's two-way data binding. By defining properties within an Angular component, such as in the provided example where count is initialized to 0, developers can manage and manipulate the state of the component. The increment count method in the example increments the count property each time it is invoked, demonstrating how state can be modified within a component. This approach to managing local state enables developers to efficiently maintain the state of individual components, ensuring that data is correctly encapsulated and manipulated within the scope of a specific component. This enables developers to build modular and reusable components that can be easily maintained and updated without affecting the state of other components within the application. Global state management in Angular is crucial for maintaining application data consistency among various components. This is commonly accomplished through services or specialized libraries like NgRx or Akita. These tools enable a centralized store system that serves as a single source of truth for data manipulation across the application. For instance, in NgRx, you can dispatch actions to modify the state stored in the NgRx store. An example involves incrementing a count value by dispatching an increment count action. This action triggers reducers to update the state accordingly, ensuring all components accessing this count value receive the updated information, promoting a consistent user experience throughout the application. State management in Angular plays a crucial role in maintaining a centralized data source for the application, thereby ensuring consistency and eliminating data duplication. By segregating data-related tasks, it enhances code structure and scalability. For instance, using state management with tools like NgRx allows for efficient communication between components and offers a clear pathway for data flow. Consequently, this fosters a more robust and maintainable Angular application architecture, making it easier to manage, debug, and scale. Think of state management in Angular like keeping track of your groceries in a shopping list. Just like how you need to update and maintain your shopping list, state management in Angular helps keep track of the current state of your application. By consistently updating and managing your shopping list, you can easily see what items you need to buy and avoid running out of essential groceries. Similarly, state management in Angular allows you to keep track of important data and make sure your application functions smoothly without losing track of its current state. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, w.atg.world. The code snippet showcases the implementation of state management in Angular through a shopping list analogy. 1. The shopping list service, Angular service, is created to manage the state of the shopping list. It includes methods to get the shopping list, add an item to the shopping list, and remove an item from the list. 2. The shopping list component. Angular component utilizes the service to interact with the shopping list state. It fetches the shopping list from the service in the constructor and provides methods to add an item to the list and remove an item from it. 3. The template of the shopping list component, shoppinglist.component.html, displays the list of items, allows users to remove items, and enables them to add new items to the shopping list. In the app module, app.module.ts, the shopping list component is declared, along with the shopping list service as a provider. This ensures that the service instance is available for dependency injection in the component. By utilizing this state management approach in Angular, developers can effectively handle the data and state of their application. Real-world examples of state management in Angular could include managing user authentication status, handling data fetching and caching, and controlling the visibility of components based on application state. This approach aids in ensuring a seamless user experience and maintaining the application's functionality across various interactions and workflows. Another real-world example where state management in Angular plays a crucial role is in an e-commerce application. Consider an e-commerce platform where users can browse products, add them to the cart, go through the checkout process, and make a purchase. 1. Angular services can be utilized to manage the state of the user's cart, order history, and payment information. By keeping track of these states centrally, Angular ensures consistency across different components and pages. 2. Components such as product listings, cart view, order history, and checkout forms can interact with the state managed by Angular services to display the relevant information to the user and allow them to make changes. 3. User actions like adding items to the cart, updating quantities, removing products, confirming orders, and providing payment details are handled by components that communicate with the state management services in Angular. 4. By maintaining the state of the user's shopping journey, Angular enables a seamless and responsive user experience. Users can navigate between pages, make changes to their orders, and complete transactions without losing important data due to state management done efficiently. In conclusion, state management in Angular empowers e-commerce applications to provide a smooth and reliable user experience, ensuring that users can interact with the platform, make purchases, and manage their shopping journey effectively. Across the globe, businesses rely on Angular's robust state management capabilities to deliver high-performance e-commerce solutions. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.